G'day! In this video I'm just going to quickly show you how to do a factory reset on an Optus X Sight 2. This one is if you've gotten your password, you should be able to wipe it this way. So we'll start off with the device powered off completely. You can either take the back off, which is down the bottom corner here, pull the battery out, put it back in. Battery comes out this way. Also known as a ZTE P600. Put your battery back in, cover back on, hold volume up and power, and keep them pressed down together. Phone should get to here, should hopefully be able to release the power button and keep holding volume up. And that should hopefully get us into recovery, just like that. When we're at this location here, we want to use the volume up and down to go navigate and the power button to confirm. Scroll down to wipe data factory reset, press the power button on the side. So where is it? You may be required to connect a network via SIM and log in using Google account if you've been logged in prior, and it will wipe all information off the phone. Press the power button once you've pressed volume down to go to factory data reset again. Press power. Should get this down here. And may take a minute. Most phones it's pretty instant. There we go. Data wipe complete. Now we can go back up the top here, and we want to go reboot system now. That will restart the phone. We'll display the Optus logo, and we may sit at this screen for about maybe 30 seconds or so, but just leave it here and it should wake up and be perfectly usable in a moment. Hope that helps you reset your Optus X Sight 2. Bye.